So you've never had a driver's license? Well, no, I'm traveling. I'm not required to.
How about we just take her to jail?
Ouch!
You want to f*** around? You find out. Ma'am, do you have somebody who can come pick you up? This vehicle is being towed. Okay. Well, then start calling an Uber.
Welcome back to Trial Tactics TV. Today we're in Florida, where a routine traffic stop turns into a full-blown roadside legal debate, and it ends with a tow truck and handcuffs. Let's get into it.
Hello there. Deputy Morgan, the Volusia County Sheriff's Office. The reason I'm stopping is you don't really have a tag on your vehicle in our state. You got to have some kind of characters or registration. Do you have any information for the vehicle?
State national?
Okay.
Yeah. Let me see what I have
Okay. Do you have any other form of ID other than passport?
It's my traveling information. I was just traveling today.
Okay.
According to her, these aren't just documents, they're laminated travel papers. And apparently, lamination equals legitimacy. Unfortunately, the law doesn't work that way.
So you don't have a driver's license in any state? I'm sorry?
I'm not required to carry one because
You actually are. 121 Central. Go ahead and start me a second unit. This is going to be a sovereign citizen. So you've never had an ID, identification card, driver's license in any 50 of the states?
when I was younger, before I became a state national. So.
Okay.
Declaring yourself a state national and printing custom paperwork does not place you above traffic laws, something she's about to learn the hard way.
But before that, did you ever have an ID card anywhere?
I probably did, yes. Yeah.
You probably did where?
In South Carolina.
In South Carolina. Okay.
Yeah.
What's your current registration address?
That is. I don't know.
Fairchild Gardens Avenue.
Mm-hmm. And that's unit 3060.
You said Palm Beach Gardens?
Gardens.
The address she provides appears to be a P.O. box rather than a physical residence. That detail is about to become a major problem.
And what is the zip code there?
Forgot.
That's alright. Okay. Do you have any paperwork for this vehicle saying that it's been registered with the state of Minnesota or Florida, anywhere? Okay. Alrighty.
Call 52.
Yeah, well, I'm sorry. Say that again. I'm half deaf.
It's my certified name.
Okay. No, I'm looking for information on the vehicle.
No matter how official the paperwork looks, deputies rely on state databases, not internet templates sealed in plastic.
Mickey Mouse.
I'm not required to have registration, sir, so I don't know what you mean.
Do you have any insurance for the vehicle?
No.
Okay. Well, give me 1 second. I'll be right back with you.
At this point, the vehicle isn't leaving under its own power. A tow truck is looking inevitable, and her daughter is standing on the roadside watching it all unfold.
Detain his ass and tow his shit.
Okay. But just don't arrest him for nothing?
Not unless he gives you a reason to. You know, with him being sovereign and being a douche and all that, just cuff him and do what you have to do to verify insurance and all that. But either way, tow his shit.
Okay.
No, that's what threw me off. I'm like,
When you call it out, I'm like coming up on you. Private. What's she saying?
she gave me a passport, but she's a state national. She's not required to carry an ID card.
I've ever seen one of those.
I have not.
Like passive aggressive?
No, not at all. I'm like, do you have any information? She's like, well, I'm not required to carry an ID card. Here's my passport. So you've never had a driver's license? Well, no, I'm traveling. I'm not required to. Okay. Well, what about, like, registration information? She's like, I don't have any. I'm like, what about insurance? Never had it. She gave me her information. Gave me an address. I was hoping that was her. I saw full extradition and was like, hell yeah. That's funny, though. She's not, like I said, she's not a good sovereign citizen because she has an American passport. She just wrote in here, state national. Do not detain, do not interrogate, conceal carry in all 50 states.
Let me see that thing. I've never seen
Pretty good.
Supporters of this movement often claim that correcting your status places you on some kind of protected list. In reality, no verified law enforcement system recognizes such a thing.
But she's not good at it. She gave me an American passport and she's got a valid South Carolina DL.
Okay.
The vehicle is uninsured, and I'm just going to ROR her for the uninsured or the unregistered motor vehicle and tow her shit.
Is it the vehicle's not registered? You said it's uninsured or unregistered?
It's both, uninsured and unregistered.
Okay.
She's got a plate, if you can call it a plate, it's a piece of paper that says private business.
Yeah, I don't.
The VIN comes back to the Nissan Murano, but it's not registered in all 50 states.
Okay.
My issue is, can I ROR her? The address she gave me is the post office box she has in Palm Beach.
You can almost hear the supervisor's patience wearing thin. This isn't their first right-to-travel conversation.
Because if she made it sound like an apartment. So I'm like, oh, okay, and then I go back and I pull it up on my map, and I'm like, let me see if she... And it's the post office. It's her P.O. box.
So we don't have a verifiable address?
Yeah, the only verified address she's given me is the post office.
How about this? What she got in her... How about we just take her ass to jail?
The supervisor makes it clear if she refuses to provide a valid address and comply with registration requirements, arrest becomes an option.
I'm good with it. I just was like, I mean, let me ask.
Oh, no, you can take anybody to jail.
Oh, no, I know I can take her. I just didn't really want to.
I know. In the totality of the circumstances, I think there's a strong likelihood she would not appear in court.
Oh, I 100% agree, but she would abscond.
Which I would just take her ass to jail.
Yeah.
I would physically take her.
I'm sure I would have to here in a second because I'm going to ask her to sign the citation and she would say no.
Well, yeah. Well, and then you get another.
Well, yeah, that's...
I was about to say if you never ask, you never get another charge. But,
yeah.
Yeah, because it's actually against the statute to have a P.O. box as your address. I think that's only on your registration.
State law requires a legitimate residential or business address for vehicle registration. A post office box does not meet that requirement, and in this case, the vehicle isn't properly registered at all.
I don't know if it's like the worst sovereign citizen I met. Like I said, she handed me a passport, an American passport. She just put a stamp in there. It says, American state national, do not detain, do not interrogate, and then she signed her name with all the bullshit all around it and stuff. But then she gave me, like I said, she gave me an address. I mean, I don't have a photo ID from South Carolina, but all the information matches, and it's a valid DL. So she's not very good at the game.
Court history shows these arguments rarely succeed. Roadside debates don't override statutory law.
Yeah, I'm just trying to, let's see. I think it's under traffic.
See, this I should have just gone with my gut. I needed a senior motorman to guide me on my way. I shouldn't have called him. Go ahead and step out of the vehicle for me. No. Step out of the vehicle.
No, I'm not required.
You're going to step out of the vehicle.
Then I have to call.
No, you don't have to call anybody.
I'm not.
Get out of the vehicle. Get out of the vehicle. Get out of the vehicle now. You are. You are under arrest.
Why am I
Get
under
out of the
arrest?
vehicle.
Why am I
Step
under arrest?
out of the vehicle.
Why do you have your hands on me?
Because you're going to jail.
I didn't do anything
Get out of the
wrong.
vehicle.
I
Let's
didn't
go.
do anything wrong.
Let's go.
Sir, I didn't do
Let's
anything.
go.
Oh my God. Ouch.
Oh my.
Ow.
Come on.
Ouch.
You want to f around? You find out.
And then the warning becomes reality. The moment shifts from theory to consequences.
Ouch.
Oh.
I didn't do anything wrong. Okay.
Bring hands behind your back. Stop.
Tensing
I
up.
didn't do anything
Stop
wrong.
tensing up.
I don't understand what's happening.
You're going to jail is what's happening.
Why? Why?
Because you have an unregistered motor vehicle and you do not have a valid address.
Sir, it's
No,
this address.
it is not. It is a P.O. box.
I know.
Unless you reside in a post office box, you do not have a valid address.
Listen,
1 Ocean, 21 Central, adult female, 1015. Unregistered motor vehicle. Let's go.
Don't make it harder.
Being arrested in front of your child is a serious moment. For most people, that would be a wake-up call.
Do you have anything in your pockets that's going to poke me stick? Oh, you don't really have pockets. Do you have anything concealed on your person? Because if you do, when we get to the jail, it is a felony.
Of course I don't.
Drugs, guns, bombs, rocket grenades, anything you may have forgotten.
Anything that goes in the dress.
This is your last chance to come clean about it. Good with me. Go ahead and have a seat. About how I thought that was going to go.
Now comes the difficult part, informing the daughter that the vehicle is being towed, meaning she'll need to arrange her own ride home.
Alright, ma'am, do you have somebody who can come pick you up? This vehicle is being towed. Okay, well then start calling an Uber. Because, like I said, this vehicle is being towed, and I'm seizing it. Do what?
Can I come over to the station?
No, she's going to jail. She's not going to the station. So is there anything in the vehicle you want to take with you?
Yes.
I'm sorry?
Could you give me a few minutes?
What you need, and go. The keys will have to stay. Or at least the vehicle, the key fob. Because the tow truck's going to need that.
The daughter appears far more grounded than the parent. Situations like this can either reinforce beliefs or expose the flaws in them.
Yeah, I did. Doesn't look like there's much in here.
Please, I'm begging you.
For the record, my body cam did die. It is now charging.
I'm just traveling. I don't do commercial. I'm not commerce.
Okay. And I'm not interested in you doing commerce, but you're operating a vehicle on our roadways.
It's an automobile, and I'm traveling.
Okay. Well, you're traveling on our roadways, which requires a driver's license. Which is weird because you have a valid South Carolina driver's license.
Many people fall into these theories after financial trouble or license suspensions. Instead of resolving the issue through proper channels, they double down on paperwork that doesn't hold up legally.
I know you don't understand this state national stuff, and I know it probably rubs you the wrong way.
It doesn't rub me the wrong way. I don't subscribe to it, so I don't really care to hear
I
it.
understand, but that's why I feel like you're mad at me because you're mad at the state nationals.
Well, I'm not mad at state nationals.
But I don't understand why you're arresting me. I don't understand why you won't just please give me a chance. You have to understand it's stressful to get pulled over. I'm completely confused of why I got pulled over. Could you please check this address?
No. We have moved beyond that.
Driving an unregistered and uninsured vehicle carries consequences, especially in Florida. What started as a traffic stop has now escalated significantly.
So how am I supposed to get anywhere out of jail if I don't have anything? I don't have my card, I don't have my wallet, I don't have my phone.
Well, your daughter has your wallet. There are phones in the jail you will be allowed to use.
I don't understand the system.
Oh, I saw that. I don't recognize that. Because I can tell you that's not in my passport, so.
I know that
What color are your eyes? Blue, I think? Green. Brown hair. Yes.
How long will she be detained for?
Well, that's up to the jail. She has a bond.
Can she hear me or no? Yeah, I can hear you, sweetheart. Mom, Mama. Yeah.
Do not reach for the window, but you can talk through it.
Maybe it's not to sign anything. I need to be taken right to the magistrate.
Well, there are phones at the jail. Do you need phone numbers out of your phone?
Audie, you're going to have to contact Karen and Savannah because I'm not going to be able to train them. I don't know how long this will be. And can you write to John and let him know what happened? So you don't think I mean, you have my number, 415-521-4688. That's all I have. As long as you have that.
It's another day.
I'm gonna take off Matter within a couple minutes, but on the way to something else.
I appreciate you stopping.
Later, man. Absolutely, it's always good seeing you. Out on the bike.
Yeah, right. Never seen him before.
Thanks, honey. Are you going to stay with her until the Uber comes, please?
But you can talk through it.
At the end of the day, decisions have outcomes. Refusing lawful requirements tends to narrow your options quickly. If you enjoy real-world body cam breakdowns and legal analysis, make sure you're subscribed to Trial Tactics TV. Leave a like, share the video, and I'll see you in the next one.